Hey everyone, it looks like OnePlus is taking a page out of Google's book, because the unboxing video for the OnePlus 13 has leaked ahead of its official launch. In the video, we see that OnePlus is sticking to its iconic red box, but the real excitement, we finally get a look at the front of the phone. As rumored, OnePlus has gone with the BOE X2 screen, and it's rocking a quad-curved display. That means the screen curves on all four sides, pretty sleek, right? We've already seen the back of the phone in previous leaks, but now we get our first look at Oxygen OS 15, and it does not disappoint. One cool feature showcased in the video is the dynamic island, a personal favorite of mine. There's also lock screen customization, super smooth animations, and even a colorful new hello effect for Google searches. As for the display, it's flat with slim, even bezels, giving the phone a very sharp modern look. The phone in the video is white, and I have to say, it looks pretty slick. Now, let's talk about the cameras because OnePlus is going all in. The OnePlus 13 packs a 50MP Sony LYT-808 main camera, a 50MP periscope telephoto lens, and a 50MP ultrawide lens with a 120-degree field of view. Seriously impressive stuff. This is similar to what we saw on the Oppo Find X8, but OnePlus has made it even better. And the feature that really stands out, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This is the first chip built on TSMC's 3nm process, making it incredibly powerful. The CPU, GPU, and NPU have all been upgraded, which means faster performance, better gaming graphics, and enhanced AI features. Just how powerful is it? In benchmark tests like Antutu, the Snapdragon 8 Elite scored an insane 3 million points, even beating out Apple's latest chip, a huge deal in the tech world. The AI features are next level, including a video object eraser that lets you remove people or objects from your videos. That's right, no more unwanted photobombers. With its sleek design, powerful cameras, and game-changing performance, the OnePlus 13 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting phones of the year. Are you guys hyped for it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.